What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Hope all of you are having a wonderful morning so far. So, the exercise of the week is a Palof Press. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate between the cable stack and a band. So, whether if you have access to a cable stack or not, you'll still be able to do it with a band. All right. Now, the whole purpose of a Palof Press is to activate your deep core. All right. And so, there are layers when it comes to your core. It's not just the six pack. First, you have the transverse abdominis, which is actually starts in the middle and it wraps around and inserts on either side of your spine. All right. So think of that as like a corset for your guts, for your intestines, for everything. All right. So you have that transverse abdominis, and then you have an internal and external oblique. So now you have muscles that are running from this direction and then that direction, right? So now you're creating this armor, and then you have the six pack, all right? So we are activating the deep core, which is the transverse abdominis, okay? Now, the whole purpose of this exercise is you're stagnant, all right? So it looks easy. It's deceptive, all right? So this exercise looks easier than it really is. And okay, so how you're going to start out is with the cable stack. You want the cables maybe about shoulder height. All right, have some good weight on there. Now you're going to step away, having some weight, bring your shoulders down. I like to bend my knees, right? Flex your core. So I want you to find that neutral spine, right? So you're not sitting out like with your butt out. Okay, J-Lo booty. We ain't doing that. Tuck your butt. All right, tuck your butt, really engage your core. Even poke around, all right? Poke around your core and push your tummy out, all right? So I know that's all counterintuitive. You're like, no, I don't want to push my tummy out. Do it, okay? Just do it. So push your hands, right, on either side, and then push into your hands, all right? Push into your fingers, okay? So now I feel my core bracing, right? So my core is braced. I want to stay right here. I grab the handle. Handle stays in the middle of my sternum. Drop my shoulders, and then I extend. Okay? Then I bring it back to my sternum. Press out. All right? So this is a Palof press. All the while, the weight is wanting to pull me this way. I'm fighting it, so I'm pulling it this way. All right, so the key is to not overcompensate and pushing out here. All right, so you want to keep your sternum, your belly button, and your pubic bone in line. All right, that's the goal, right? So we're not like this. Okay, we're right here. We're solid. You're fighting with your core. You're pressing out, nice and controlled. All right, coming back. Boom. And then you turn around and get the other side. Now you'll do the same thing with a band. All right, so band, you step out. I'm going to step this way. All right, so now you can see it from the side, but you're stepping out. You have to step further away from the band to create that resistance, all right, because the floppy band isn't going to do anything. So make sure you have a good resistance on the band. Sit down, core tight, tuck your butt, flex your core, all right? Extend your arms, and then bring it back. Extend your arms, and then bring it back. All right? Turn around, get the other side. So that is a Palof press. If y'all have any other questions about this exercise or questions about another exercise, leave them in the comments below, and then I'll get to them. All right? Other than that, have a wonderful day. Go win.